Today, we are talking about a strategy that every business owner, freelancer, and marketer needs to know: generating leads on autopilot. Leads are potential customers, and finding them manually every day can take a lot of time. But what if your system could collect leads automatically even while you sleep or focus on other tasks? In this video, I will explain how to generate leads on autopilot, and I will share the tools and method that make it simple even for the beginners. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and marketing strategies for your business. Today we are talking about automating lead generation so you can grow your business without spending hours researching for potential clients. I also placed special links in the description that can also help you to try the tools for free or get discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description. By using it, any offers or discount will be applied automatically, making your lead generation setup easier. Now, let's go to the main part of the video and let's talk about generating leads on autopilot in simple terms. First, let's understand what generating leads on autopilot means. It means setting up systems that capture contact information from people interested in your product or service automatically. Instead of spending messages individually or cold calling every person, you create a funnel that collects leads for you. These leads can then be contacted automatically with emails, messages, or follow-ups, saving you time and effort. One of the first thing is creating a lead capture system. This usually starts with a landing page or form where people give their information in exchange for something valuable like a free guide, webinar, or discount. Tools like HubSpot, Go High Level, or MailerLite make this process simple. You can create forms, landing pages, or pop-ups and connect them to your email or CRM system. This way, every new visitor who fills the form becomes a lead automatically. Next, you want to automate the follow-ups. Once you have leads, reaching out them immediately increases the chances of converting them into customers. Tools like MailerLite and ActiveCampaign that let you set up the automatic emails. For example, when someone signs up, they can get a welcome email instantly, followed by a series of emails that give more information, tips, or offers. This keeps your leads engaged without you sending emails manually every time. Another helpful method is using the social media automation. You can capture leads from platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn by connecting your forms or chatbots. Tools like ManyChat or Zapier alternatives help you to automatically collect contact information from people interacting with your post or messages. This means even while you post content, your system collects the leads without extra efforts. You can also combine the lead capture and CRM system. For example, when a new lead signs up, the system can automatically add them to your CRM, tag them based on their interest, and place them in the right email sequence. This creates a fully automated process from lead capture to follow up, making your sales and marketing flow smooth. Another tip is tracking your results. Even automated systems need monitoring. Check which forms or pages are giving you the most leads, which emails get opened, and which messages lead to conversions. Tools like HubSpot or Go High Level provides analytics and dashboards so you can see what works and make improvements. Finally, always give the value to your leads. Automation works best when the content or offer is relevant and helpful. People are more likely to provide their information and stay engaged if they feel they are getting something valuable. Combining automation with useful content makes your lead generation both easy and effective. So in simple word, generating leads on autopilot means setting up the landing pages or forms, connecting them to email or CRM system, automating the follow-ups, and tracking results. Using tools like HubSpot, Go High Level, MailerLite, or ManyChat makes the process simple and save your hours of every week. That's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more simple marketing tips and business strategies. Don't forget to use the special links in description so your benefits get applied automatically. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.